Hey everybody, just gotta fix this wonderful thing I have here. Okay, so welcome back to L&D Adventures. This is not an adventure today. I just wanted to share with you a steak tip recipe that I make steak tips with a lot. And of course, this is we love Vegas, so I couldn't leave out Vegas, so I had to put on my Vegas apron. So, so I have my Vegas apron on, and I'm gonna prepare the steak tips for you. I want to show you the ingredients. So. This is the ingredients, very simple. Turn that over. Okay, so all we need is a bottle of Coke, right here, a bottle of ketchup, and some salt and pepper. And that's it. And I'm telling you, it seems kind of bland, but believe me, when you taste these steak tips when they're done, you're gonna be amazed and be almost better than a restaurant. That's what I like to do anyway. So I'm going to start cutting up the steak tips and put them into a Ziploc bag because I like to marinate them for about at least 2 hours. So, hold on one second. Lisa, bring me that shirt. Bring me the shirt. So this is for Vegas Best Ideas. I saw a post on Facebook the other day, or Instagram, wherever it was, that you want a sign that says liquor in the front and poker in the rear. And I told you I had a shirt. Well, here is the shirt. This is the back of it. This is the front, but this is the back. And if you look closely, it says liquor in the front and poker in the rear. And the girl's pretty cute too. Okay, this is for, like I said, this is for Vegas Best Ideas, and I just wanted to say a big thank you to Sin City Nerds for sending out the $25 virtual Pizza Rock gift card. Awesome, you guys. Thank you so much. Next time we're in Vegas, we're going to hit a Pizza Rock and try it out because we've never had it before. Okay, and one more thing. If you see right there, those are our Vegas oven mitts. We've had them for a long time. They've been used quite well. They still work good. I feel no heat when I pick up something. And if we hit 250 subscribers, the next time, we're hoping to go to Vegas at the end of March, and we're going to buy another pair of oven mitts, and we're gonna have do a live stream, do a live giveaway to give away some Las Vegas oven mitts. So every time you cook something, you always get reminded of this place. Okay, so I'm gonna cut up the steak tips, and I will see you in a bit. Bye. Thank you. Okay, we're back, everybody. This is the steak tips that I bought at the local supermarket. They're a little pricey, but it's worth it in the end. So let's get them out. And we're going to slice them up. Slice up some wonderful steak tips. Good sized portions, you know. I can't look at the camera right now because I have a really big ass knife in my hand. So you slice up the steak tips. You put them in a Ziploc bag. So I'll be back when I cut up all the steak tips, because this might take a little while. Okay, by the way, this is my Vegas apron. It's the first time I've worn this thing. I wore it just for you guys. Alright, we'll be back. Okay, y'all, we're back. I've cut up all the steak tips in a bag here. Here we go, there they are. There's about 4 pounds here. I went a little overboard. Now, I don't really like to do measurements. I eye it. So what you do is you put the ketchup in here, just squeeze it. I mean, depending on how many steak tips you have to put a lot of ketchup. So, and a lot of Coke. Because you want some flavor in there. So, okay, that should do. Now some soda, so Coke. You can use regular Coke or whatever brand you like. I like regular Coke. The Coke basically is there to keep the meat tender while you marinate it. And a little salt. Some pepper. Okay. Now we seal the bag. You have to make sure all the air is out of it before you seal it. So just give it a squeeze and seal it. Double check it's sealed. Now you just tip it up into, shake it up. Now just don't shake it up. Shake it up a little bit. Now as you can see, all the liquid is above most of the steak tips. So depending on how many steak tips you have to make sure that the liquid is like right at the top of the meat. And then you just keep the Coke cold for your dinner. You don't want to eat it. Now you can either put these on the grill. We don't have a barbecue where we live. So, alright, I have to go way down here. I'm going to put this in the fridge. Marinate it for at least 2 hours before you cook it. Okay, so I'm going to put this in the fridge. Here we go. Okay, so it's in the fridge marinating. And, I guess we'll see you guys. It's like 4 o'clock in the afternoon, around 6:30. I'm gonna take these out and put them on the broiler pan. So we'll see you then. Bye. Okay, hey, we're back. Now I'm gonna throw the steak tips into the oven. I'm gonna show you what they look like right over here. Okay, here they are. Put my camera down. These are the steak tips, and as you can see, my oven is on broil. So I'm going to throw these. It's not entirely heated up yet, but I'm going to throw it on there anyway. So here we go. Into the oven they go. Now, it should take about half hour, 45 minutes to get them the way I want it. Or the way everybody wants it. Or the way she wants it. Okay. I'm going to turn this off and I'll be back when I have the steak tips. Medium well for Lisa. Lisa likes it, if you can hear in the background, she likes it medium well. Alright, yes she does. She likes it that way. Alright, goodbye everybody. We'll see you when I take them out of the oven. Bye. Okay everybody, this is the finished product. After about a half an hour, 45 minutes under the broiler. These are going to taste wonderful. I made some yellow rice with saffron seasoning. And I got some frozen broccoli that I boiled in the strainer in my sink. So I'm going to plate this up and we'll get back to you. Okay? See ya. Okay everybody, this is the finished product. This is my marinated steak tips with broccoli and yellow rice. One of my favorite dishes. I love yellow rice, I love broccoli, and I love steak tips. So here it is. I'm going to take a sample because my mouth is watering. Alright everybody, take care. Bye. Okay, here it is. The final verdict. Right here. This is it. See? I don't know if I get it. This is really good. Are we ready? Mmm. Cooked thoroughly. Mmm. I really wish in like 100 years to have like taste-o-vision and smell-o-vision, so you can taste what this tastes like and what it smells like. Alright, I'm gonna go eat now because I'm really hungry. Alright everybody, thanks for joining along on my cooking adventures. We hope to see you soon. Thank you all for subscribing and watching. We really appreciate it. Can't even tell you how much we do. I'm still chewing. Again, thank you so much. And for all the Vegas vloggers out there. We watch you constantly. We love you. Matt Bridger. Team Claire Vlogs. Hogger 2 Cent. We work to visit Vegas. Sin City Nerds, thank you again. That's all I can think of right now. Emily Charlotte Vlogs, yep, we love you all. Huh? Oh yeah, can't forget about a Good Times production. And Anastas 617. PJ, you're the balls, man. Alright, Love you all. Bye. Okay, everybody. We forgot a couple people that we watch, so Lisa's gonna help me in case I forget anybody. We forgot about Nikki Fromage. We forgot about Tio and Steve. Ben Heath. Pennies for Vegas.
Vegas Tips and Tricks.
Vegas Tips and Tricks. You guys, you're awesome, dude. You're awesome.
Travels with Tim Johnson.
And we've discovered a new vlog the other day. He only has like 16 subscribers, so please subscribe to him. The name of his channel is Travels with Tim Johnson. Great guy. He loves steak like me and Lisa. That's all we can think of right now. There's so many vlogs that we watch. We don't even know. We're waiting for Team Claire to put up a new one today. But she's going to. Even though it's only 4:30 in Vegas right now.
The Trooper.
Oh, the Trooper 97. It's the Trooper. Alright, guys. I'm going to go eat now. I'm starving. Alright. Thank you for coming along on our adventures. Please like and subscribe to our channel. Watch the videos. We hope you enjoy them. Thank you so much again. And you guys have a great night. Bye.